Okay, so we are at Japanese Coco Curry.
Coco Curry.
It's a chain restaurant. We choose to come here to show you guys some Japanese curry because a lot of you guys asked us to eat some Japanese curry, so we are here. We choose this one because it's all around in Japan. The prices are the price is reasonable, the taste is decent, and there's a variety of choice of the menu that you can get.
The only one I've ever been to is in Korea. You can tell like it's like a treat to go to that one in Korea. Here, it's like an everyday restaurant, so it's like a lot more casual feeling. It's almost just like a diner. It's like a Mel's diner.
See, all the menus is quite crazy. I really like all the choices you can have. And I think we should get a salad for a healthy choice.
Okay. We need some vegetables in our life.
Oh, karaage salad? Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, I think that sounds good. We're talking about getting vegetables, we're gonna get fried chicken on top.
That's how I will eat the vegetables. Give me some fried chicken with it.
お待たせしました。はい、フライドチキンサラダですね。はい。
Shabu shabu pork curry.
はい。
And also tomato.
はい。ライス。
300 gram.
はい。
And I will get regular.
レギュラー。はい。
We got lucky she speaks English.
I think they did that on purpose. Thank you.
ありがとうございます. So you can choose how much rice you're getting.
It's all the way up to like 800 grams of rice.
Yeah, but regular is 300 grams. And you can choose the spice level. I got normal one, the regular one, and he got level 4.
And you can go all the way up to
Level
10.
10. Only time we had the Coco curry was in Korea. And we were dating at the time. What happened to us? We were like super careful to each other.
Now we're at
That was before we opened the part. You know, relationship divides in between either before you fart, after you fart. We have this wet wipes on the table.
filming.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, yeah, we're filming.
Karaage chicken salad.
We also got 3 different sauces.
That's for salad dressing.
Yeah, no. I think one of them.
What is this one? This
Just
one
put it
looks-
in the bowl and try.
So they have 3 salad dressing.
Ah, cute little fork.
And it's only marked with Japanese, so we have no idea what is what.
I like the creamy one.
Yeah, let's get the creamy one. I think that should be good.
I would put a little bit more.
A lot of shredded cabbage, corn, carrots, fried chicken, with the creamy sesame dressing. By the way, I do have a recipe for it. That dressing, cream sesame dressing. So check it out on my shabu shabu video. It's a little older video, but the recipe is amazing still. 짠! 짠!
Chicken's good. I like it's like mixed greens with cabbage. Really good.
This is my curry. I'm gonna add egg on it. Oh, yes.
I got my poached egg. I'm gonna put it on top. Don't wanna break it yet.
Ah, he dropped it.
It went all the way
It
down.
dived. The egg is like, I'm gonna go down. Delicious? Delicious? You need to come a little over this way.
Oh, it's definitely got a
Sorry.
kick to it.
I was like,
4.
keep pushing him out.
I know, she
so I
does
wanna
every
be,
time.
I have a center disease. I need to be in center.
It's a 4. It's definitely perfect
Spicy?
for me. Yeah. Like I said. It's good. Can I try yours?
The pork is super tender because so thin. It's like shabu shabu thin. And this has a spicy in it.
Cool.
I'll try yours with the coconut. And 300-gram rice is a lot.
It is good. In my opinion, you have to get the egg on top.
And they have this little pickled vegetable. I'm gonna just put it on my rice. You want some too?
No.
Now I wanna have it with the bite of the egg. Oh. There's some thinly sliced onion in it. The onion makes it really nice and sweet. The caramelized onion. You know how much I love spicy food? But for this curry, I actually like the mild one better. There's a little slightly sweet taste in it. I think it just goes better. Japanese curry has a very its own distinct flavor. It's nothing like Korean, nothing like Indian. You know how Japanese is amazing at making their own things out of
style.
something else. I really love the shabu shabu pork in here.
I like the pork cutlet. Sometimes you get pork cutlet and it's like really dried out. This was nice and juicy. It's really good.
And because of the egg we added, I also do have this soft boiled egg recipe too. This is not poached. It's not poached. Because of the egg, it's extra creamy. And because yours a little more spicier, has darker color too. I love this pickled radish or pickled vegetable together because it gives a little crunch texture to mine because mine doesn't have any pork cutlet like a crunch thing.
And the salad goes perfect with it. It kind of, because mine's a little spicy, so it's a little refreshing.
I think you should definitely order a salad. What if I put this chicken on the curry? They actually have this menu. Yes.
I want one more egg. Sorry. Is that good?
One more bite.
Okay.
Oh, it's so nice.
Emma? I don't have a choice. Can I have one more bite of that one? That one's really good. Good choice.
Pork and curry cannot go wrong. Maybe not religion-wise, but taste-wise it does.
I think 200 milligram perfect.
200 milligrams
Or 200 grams
of rice.
of rice instead of 300.
You can get less rice too if you want.
It's so good, and then whenever you get that little spicy little, it's almost like your head buzz, like, just a little bit.
I haven't had Japanese curry for a long time.
You used to make it a lot. Because back when she first started cooking, this was like one of the first things she tried. And she didn't know how to cook a lot of stuff. So we had this, not all the time, but kind of
One
often.
of the easy dish to cook when you have that chicken block. I don't know how to make from scratch, to be honest with you, though.
You're still kind of this, baby.
I can figure it out, but I don't know.
You want that? You can have the last chicken. The last chicken. It's like her favorite chicken salad.
Right? You sure?
Yeah,
Wait, have some.
really full. I'm really full. I'm good. You can have. You can have.
You sure?
Yeah.
Pasty?
I'm just kidding. The curry is not as spicy when you're eating it, but now that I'm done,
So I think 200 gram of rice would be good for us because we like to add like extra eggs and eating salad with it and all this stuff together.
I came here and I got the original, the 4-color one, because that's like their like #1 menu thing. I definitely would love to come back. And try like all of them. But I think you're right. Like the different spicy, like I could have done less and just enjoy the curry taste. But I like the spicy right now. I'm just kind of in the mood for it.
It's like a light.
Especially with the egg. Without the egg, but with the egg, it's good.
I think even without the egg, it's quite good, but with the egg, it definitely makes it a little extra above level. Guys, saying thank you so much for watching us. Oh, what?
Just got a crazy hair. Crazy hair don't care today.
Crazy hair, don't care.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you loved this video and if you love Japanese curry, please give this video that thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. What is it?
From show, dude.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us thumbs up and comment down below. Let us know how much you love Japanese curry. Bye guys.